Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use rice water for my hair growth. Whoop whoop. But before we get started, I'm going to show you how to make rice water for yourself. Let's just dive right into it. Don't forget to subscribe. I've seen so many videos on YouTube about this rice water, and I decided to do a 3 weeks rice water challenge. My previous video that I posted about 3 weeks and a half ago, I did this rice water afterwards and it's been a great result. In making this video, I was inspired by Audrey Victoria. This is her YouTube channel. She had 3.7 million views on this video, and I decided to do my own challenge. So keep watching so I can show you.
I'm going to be telling you the only way that you should be making rice water and the only way that you should be using rice water.
So I'm just going to show you guys how I made my own rice water that you can also do yourself at home. The things you're going to need is rice, a jar, and water, and something to stir the rice and the water together. But I can't explain the reason why I have 2 jars. So let's keep that part. Here's my rice, here's my water, here's my jar. I'm going to put in the rice in the other jar since I already have it there. I'm gonna add water, and the only downside about this rice water is that it has a terrible smell, which doesn't really matter if your hair is actually growing. So guys, this is how it looks after adding the water and the rice together. I just stir it a bit just so it can mix up a little bit. This will help all the nutrients and vitamins out of the rice and into the water. For you to make your fermented rice water, you have to let the water sit for 24 hours before use. Here is my spray bottle. Now I'm going to transfer the rice water into my spray bottle. So guys, we did it. Our rice water is ready to use. So now I am actually going to try it on my hair. I don't have any cream on my hair right now. I'm just spraying the rice water all over my hair, and I feel the softness already, and I think the smell is something that we can actually fix if you use a shampoo or a good conditioning to wash your hair. You're not going to perceive the smell. This is a great result, and I'm personally satisfied with the outcome. If you like this video guys, do subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my tips and randomness videos. So fam, this is optional. I decided to cover up my hair with my shower cap for an hour just to let it work properly and let my hair enjoy a little bit. Years, my hair is about to enjoy itself and feel the love a little bit. Whoop, whoop. So guys, I hope you're able to learn something from this video. I hope you're able to learn to make your own rice water and see a little bit of tips and tricks on how I have been growing my hair. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below and tell me if you do like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.